Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Narasthaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswati Vyasam Tato Jayam Udidayet. Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Samashloke Bhaktir Bhavati Naistiti Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandasa Nanda Gopa Kumaraya Govindaya. What did they praise to the Lord? This prosperity is never glance. We sit in the temple of Krishna. Krishna glances over us and everything is nice. When Christians all try to become Krishna's devotees, Krishna very kindly comes for them, opulence, and glances upon us. They become happy and beautiful. The Prabhupada is saying, just like sometimes child is at home. The mother lovingly plants the child. Child immediately feels nourished. Her mother is smiling at him. So, analytical is love between mother and child. Mother continues to look at the child, what is it wish? It smile kindly. Like that, she is telling that Krishna's glance is upon us. That is the expression of great love for the love of Krishna. The gopis also, one of the verses they say, Rahasi Samvedo Bhakano Mana Sobagan Rahasi Samvedo Prema Viksham. The last smile and nothing glances. Prema Viksham. Your sweet smile and loving glances and pastimes that you perform in Vrindavan. All these things are entered our heart. Glances are rising. Krishna very kindly comes before them and his full opulence glances upon them and they become So when Jarasandha had arrested 20,800 kings in the jail, so Krishna came to deliver them. The gate door opened. They saw the beautiful form of Vasudeva Krishna, before and after, and with a Gadapadu. Beautiful mukhas, kundals, blooms, they had one of a blue lotus. With the Pidamba, So when they saw the storm, they were so excited. They said, "We are not unhappy or angry with Jarasandha. If he didn't capture us to put us in the jail, you would not have got your darshan. So now, having had your darshan, we want to say thank you to Jarasandha." This way, they all felt blessed and free by Krishna. What is the advantage of being blanched by Krishna? Like you sing in the song also. Aha Prabhu Nityananda Devananda Sri Atmamala Sada Sada Hola Nityananda blanched on me. I am thinking, you are always glad. Look at me. Destroy my middle attachments. Destroy my independent desires for Krishna. Awaken my love for Krishna. By your dancing of me, and I will get good. Nityananda. Rise of sun and moon. That is building prosperity in the nature. Only Maharaj trying when Krishna glanced at the covered boy, who were dead, the back of your Krishna right? Similarly, the whole material creation of Krishna lacks the Aikshata. The Vedas it is said that he stands over matter, thus agitating. That's the match from the debate. Whole creation follows a similar path. So that by Krishna lacks matter becomes agitated. And then becomes pregnant and gives birth to a baby. By plant, animals, all other living come forth. How is it possible? None of us can say, dancing over my wife and become pregnant. But although it's impossible for us, it's not impossible for Krishna. The Brahma Samhita says, every part of Krishna's body has all the capability of that part. Our eyes, Krishna, maybe by seeing can make others pregnant. No need of sex. First, by glances, I can create, but next. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says, Maya Dakshin for the field, my wife is going to birth to all folks and all. The word Aksha means I. So Aksha indicates that all the humanities take birth because of Lord's plans. There are two kinds of human beings. More beings, like insect animals and human beings. Well, what comes from the material nature is not like body. Living entities accept particular types of bodies in material nature. Thus, the child takes its body from other. That one child body develops. Certain knowledge materials of material body. That is the living entity, not person. It is the living entity that has taken shelter. That the living radiance of the body. Nature say, other cannot know how from my body, other body has been still. But in the body that is still, I take the body. So, the father supplies the human feed. The mother supplies the egg. So, over that, human carries the food. But the father has to do. But the mother's body is taken. The child has body. Not that living entity takes his birth. That's it with the Bhagavad-gita. And tries it, they take off. That's it. Everything neither takes his birth. That which does not take birth. And I think that is what the Bhagavad-gita. Yeah, that's the Gita. About that, and that's the Asman. But yeah, yes, nice. One has seen. Manisha, the author is wrong. One was right as taken. One was taken by second time. There's no point lamenting. This is meant for that. That's not taken in that. Gita says, not I say, says, Lord Radheshyam, more time they actually take birth. So we can see it's born, not born. I think that's the next body. There's a thing. That's what